5 keys to launching a successful startup. Startups offer several inherent advantages that bigger, more established businesses typically lack. Unlike corporations, which tend to get stuck in structure and bureaucracy, startups tend to have more flexibility and creativity when developing business plans and making big decisions. In many ways, new companies have less to lose and more reason to risk, which can pay off. However, the majority of new companies fall prey to certain pitfalls and fail to succeed long-term. Research shows that nearly 70% of startups scale up too early, increasing their risk of collapse. About 90% of new companies never make it past the 5-year mark. While far from impossible, it's extremely important to do one's due diligence before starting any venture. This means not just knowing your product but also the market. It also means fully understanding and then preparing for the common challenges founders face when building a company from scratch. Here are 5 keys to keep in mind. 1. Create and follow a business model. For a business to be successful, the employees must first properly understand their work and the goals of the company. In other words, everyone must be on the same page. For a team to work together efficiently and productively, therefore, a system or process is required. Ideally, such a plan lets the team know how to address problems or respond to situations, such as how to adequately 2. Weigh the funds. Nearly every startup struggles with finances. Cash flow issues can delay the rollout of products or services. It can also prevent founders from making the necessary steps to grow their business, from hiring staff to purchasing tools and equipment, conducting marketing, and investing in technology that can streamline business processes. 3. Build a strategic team. Engineering founders know that their success primarily depends on their teammates. Therefore, hiring strategically and securing the right people are critical components of creating a successful startup. Delays in hiring can lead to several problems, including lost time and product development hours. Time is money, after all. 4. Know when to scale. As a business advances and its products or services are more in demand, there's often an urgent need to scale up to handle the growth. Rare is a business owner who wants to miss out on the opportunity to grow and earn more. And one good feature of startups is that they are typically small companies, so scaling up is often simple. 5. Know what's needed where. When a startup does scale up, typically the staff will be affected. Roles tend to get more complex and the demand for certain skill sets increases. It is common for team members to have multiple roles, particularly when a startup is new and at first unable to afford the roles necessary for an ideal fit.